Hello, in this video we are going to make this little mini stocking. It's very easy to make and very quick as well. So for this project we will need some orange yarn, some white yarn. I was using 2.5 mil crochet hook and scissors, and that's it. So we are going to start our first round with 6 single crochets into magic circle. So let's do magic circle, and then we have magic circle, and then we have to do 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 single crochet in the magic circle. Let's pull our yarn and make our circle, and we're going to finish this round with slip stitch in our very first single crochet. So we're doing slip stitch, and our round number 1 is complete. In round number 2 we are going to make chain of 2, 1 and 2, and then we're going to increase in each stitch. So we're going to end up with 12 stitches, but we're going to do half double crochets now. So let's start increasing. 1 half double crochet, 2 in the same stitch, so we have 2 half double crochets, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, and 11 and 12. So we have now 12 half double crochets in our round, and we need to complete our round with slip stitch in our very first half double crochet. That's it. Our round number 2 is complete. We're going to start round number 3 with chain 2 and half double crochet in the same stitch. In next stitch we are going to increase 1 and 2, and we're going to repeat that pattern around 1 half double crochet in next stitch and 2 half double crochet in the following stitch. Okay, we came to the end of our round, and at the end of our round number 3 we should have 18 half double crochets. We're going to finish this round with slip stitch in the very first half double crochet. That's it. We completed our round number 3. Round 4, 5, 6 and 7 we'll start with chain 2 and 1 half double crochet in each stitch, so there will be no increase and decrease, and you will end up with 18 half double crochet in each round. So we're going to do round 4 together. 1 half double crochet in each stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. We have our 18 half double crochet in the round, and we're going to finish our round 4, 5, 6, and 7 with slip stitch in very first half double crochet. So that's how it looks after round 4. Repeat the same as in round 4 for round 5, 6, and 7, and I will meet you there. We completed 7 rounds of our mini stocking. Now it's time to start working on the heel. Our heel will be white color, and we are leaving this orange yarn attached to our stocking, just moving away a few stitches, like 2 or 3 stitches, and attaching white yarn. Just attaching white yarn with slip stitch, and it will count as single crochet at the moment. And in the next stitch we're going to do half double crochet, half double crochet in the following stitch. Now we need to do 5 double crochets in next 5 following stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next stitch will be half double crochet, 1 more half double crochet in the following stitch, and last will be 1 single crochet. That's 1 row of our heel is complete. We need to do 2 more same rows, so we just need to work backwards now, just turning around and starting again. Single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet, 1 more half double crochet in next stitch, then again 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 2, 3, let's hide this white end, 4, 5, then we have left to do 2 half double crochet, so 1 half double crochet in next stitch, 1 more half double crochet in next stitch, and then 1 single crochet in the last stitch. That's 2 rounds of our heel is complete, and we have 1 more same sequence left. We're going to work backwards again, so 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, and now 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then 2 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet in next stitch, and 1 more half double crochet in the following stitch, and last will be 1 single crochet. That's it. Our heel is done, which consists out of 3 rows of white yarn. We're going to put white yarn now and just do a slip stitch and hide the end somewhere inside. That's how our stocking looks now, and we're gonna carry on working with orange yarn now. Now we are coming back working with orange yarn, and for next 5 rows we will have to make 18 half double crochets in each row. It means 1 half double crochet in each stitch. So let's do this row together. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets. Now we're going to work on our heel. We should have 11 half double crochet in our heel, so let's count. So we have already 2 and we have to end up with 13. 3 half double crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Let's pull this here. Now we're coming back to main body. Fourteen, 15, 16, 17 and 18. And we're going to finish this round as before with slip stitch in our very first half double crochet. So that's 1 round is complete. Do 4 more rounds like that and I will meet you there. So on the top of our heel I've done in total 5 rounds with 18 half double crochets in it, and now we have 1 more round left to do, which we are going to do in white color. So we're going to put our orange yarn and we're going to attach white yarn. It will be again 18 half double crochets, 1 double crochet in each stitch, but it's only with white yarn. So we're going to start with chain 2 as usual, 1, 2, and then 18 half double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, We came to the end of our round now, and we're going to finish this round with slip stitch in very first half double crochet. We're going to put the yarn, pull yarn through. You can just hide ends inside, or you can cut them later. And so that's it. Our little mini stocking is complete. I hope you liked this video tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I'm going to post more videos and tutorials on crochet. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.